Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you a secret hidden code that's going to unlock 50 hidden applications to your Android TV. I can download any of these applications and install them to your Android TV. So you might want to watch this video right up to the end because I'm going to be showing you step by step how to unlock these 50 hidden applications on your Android TV and every application that you need, especially to use all of these applications. So watch this video right up to the end. So for us to get started, the first thing first, we have to go over to this application called Downloader. Now Downloader is the application we are going to use to install the application that we'll be needing to unlock the 50 application or the 50 hidden applications. So if you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, check the description of this video. I have added a link that's going to help you to install Downloader. So as I explained earlier, we have to use Downloader to install another application that is going to help us unlock this library of 50 applications. So follow attentively. I'm going to show you everything in this video. So once you come out to Downloader, just launch it. If you don't have Downloader, check the description of this video. There is a link there for you that's going to help you to get Downloader. So once you go over to Downloader, just go over to the search box and type in the code I'm about to show you. Follow attentively. So come over to the box here and come to the number segment and type in the code 10381. So that is the code you have to type. Once you type down the code, just go ahead and click on confirm or go. What is happening is that Downloader is going to go ahead and install this application to Android TV and watch attentively as it goes. So here's the application. It's going to start downloading right now. Once you download, we just have to install it to our Android TV. So it has downloaded, you just click on install. Now that the application has installed, what you have to do is click on done and then delete the app file from your Android TV to save space. Once you deleted it, all you have to do is just to close this and go back home. As you can see, the application has been installed and it's called Unlink. So here's the application over here. It's called Unlink App, and this is the application we're going to use to unlock a hidden library of 50 applications that you can download and install to your Android TV. So the application is called Unlink. So after installing it, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the application. It's also very easy to use. Once you go over to it, just follow me attentively. Now the way we unlock applications or a library of applications we Unlink is by adding a library code. And the library code we're going to add in this case is this code. I'm going to type it right now. So here's the name of the library code, EMG YouTube. So once you type in this, just go ahead and click on OK. So here is the library and there are 50 applications in this library. You can go ahead and count if you're interested in all 50 of them. Now, how do you install or download any of the applications here? So if you look at an application you want to download like this one, just click on it once. If you click on it once, a pop-up is going to come up saying download. All you have to do is just to click on the download, and then after the file has been downloaded, you can install to your Android TV. And this is very easy. There are 50 applications here that you can download, but there is a problem. Some of these applications might not work fully on your Android TV because you're installing them not on Play Store or not on the official App Store. So because of that, your TV might limit your accessibility or the internet speed to this application. That's why you need to always use a VPN to any of this application to fully benefit. So for you to use a VPN, I've added two links to two best VPNs in the description of this video. There is NordVPN and there is Surfshark VPN. Just choose any of your choice and then go ahead and subscribe so you can use all of these applications and without any limitations, no matter wherever you are in the world. It's best for you to use these applications with VPN. And if you don't use VPN, it might be unsecure for you on the internet because your IP address might be tracked and you might face challenges. So use a VPN to use any of the applications in this library. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.